Welcome to my video. In this video, I want to show you how you can find broken links on your website, and this is good for SEO. So if you have broken links, broken images, broken links to other websites, then it's not good for SEO because for the search engines, because when Google or Bing or Yahoo or whatever search engine is on your website and finds a broken link, that an image is broken or a redirection to another page is not working, then it will harm your SEO. So now I want to show you in this video, I want to show you how you can find this broken links or broken images and how you can fix this. So it's really simple. For this we use a plugin. So let's go to plugins, add new plugin, and when we download this plugin, then you don't have to keep it. You can run the test and then you can get rid of the plugin again. You can delete it because every plugin you have on your website will slow down your website. So we can run this and then delete it, and after a week or two we can reinstall it and then delete it again. So let's go here to the search bar, type in broken link. A really simple broken link. Okay, then we want to choose this, the second one, broken link, the checker finder, the orange logo thingy. Then we go click on install now, and then we click on activate. I don't know why the rating is so bad of this plugin. I like this plugin, I don't know. Okay, then we have a new menu here. So we can go click on this broken link checker tool. And here we can start a new scan. So I think this plugin will not find any broken links on my website or broken images, because the website is not that big, and I always I take care of this website. But if you have a larger website or an online shop and you have so many sites, then it could really fast happen that you have broken links on your website or missing images, and this takes a while. But I think on my website he will not find anything. Scan completed, nothing found. So you can see if you have broken images or links, then you can see the report here. There's a broken link. So in our return and refund policy, there's a broken link. So free privacy policy. So I made this made this with a privacy generator tool. So they automatically insert a link to the website, and this website is no longer in existence. So okay, now I see I get a status code, 403 status code. So that means the website is not reachable, and this is what we could do now. So we can hover over it, and then we can click on view, and then our website opens here, and then we can go to edit page, and then we can remove this link, or we can replace this link. And this is really important that you do this, and especially I think, okay, for me, this is not that important. It is more important when you have this on the home page, on the main menu, navigation menu, or an image is broken. Then it's more important, like these thingies here. But I think you know what I mean. But use this tool, try it out, check your website, what kind of broken links and broken images you have on your website, and try to fix it. And after you fix everything, you can go make a new scan and see if everything is okay or not. And this is everything I want to show you in this video. So if you found this video informative, then please give me a thumbs up, or give this video a thumbs up, and I would appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.